What up? We back. We back. Where'd my chart go? And I'm tempted to short here again. Let's see here. Watching this 84 level. On the ES, still thinking. What up, Pine Tree? Still thinking this 84 level. Let's see. Wait for the trap. Squeeze. Yeah, it may squeeze here. It's kind of what I'm looking at. Man. I feel like I'm late to the party. That inverse entry down there was good. I just didn't want to take a 40-point loss on a stream. That's why being on a stream right there is bad, right? I didn't want to take a 40-point loss on the stream. I thought this worked. I thought this would work, but like, man, my stop would have to be 40, actually 50 plus points on that entry there. So thank you, Predator. Thank you. We do the best we can. It's kind of hard when you got two other people on there. I really think they should reduce that down to like one other person that you're talking to, so you're not stepping on top of each other, you know. But hey, what do I know? What do I know? Let me fix my camera's little cattywampus. Just noticed that. There we go. Yeah, it's a little better. 84 area, kind of a big test here. We are kind of building structure right there above the 84. All right. I don't know what's going on with my PayPal. Like, my PayPal got locked out. Now they say it's unlocked. But I'm still not seeing. I'm supposed to have received a payment through PayPal. And I don't see the payment. What's the deal? Man, do I take this short? What's the risk? 30 points. Dang it. It's too big of a risk here. I think we sell back down here, though. I'm going to go ahead and take it. Going to go ahead and take it here. Try to get 15 points if we can. All right, I think we took almost 10 there. Yeah, 9. I got in late on that. I think this sells down here. I think this sells down to 779 now. This is a 50% pushback up at the range. So thanks, Clarity. Did I call Tom Sabo for a guaranteed target? No, I need to. I need to send him a message. Say, we need the target, Tom. We need the target. So we're in day one of this eval up 550. I'm going to go ahead and rotate to the next eval. I picked up a couple of evals last night, by the way. One tower froze on me in the middle of a trade. Had to crawl back from a deep in the red. Dang, Tech. That sucks. I think this is a pretty decent spot to short. I really do. Stop here at the high. I mean, I think it's a great spot to short and target the 779. I like the 779 area so much that I'm going to put... I probably should just wait for the reaction. But again, I'm going to put my order back down there. And we will do a 1-for-1 down here on this. Man, if I can get it to stop at $300, that'd be nice. Come on. Oh, well, whatever. 305. You passed 3 Apex evals, but blew 2 trade day. That sucks, Clarity. That sucks. You're having all kinds of issues with Tradeify straight to funded account disappeared. Can't even trade TPT because the data delayed. Did you take the inside bar? Did you have anything to take that inside bar on? I missed that, Pine Tree. And I like that one. The stop was 30 points. But still, I think the risk to reward there, your target was like 68 points. You had a 1 to 2 there. to really clean. Oh, wait, we just had another inside bar. I just noticed this. I'm going to short here off this inside bar. It already broke to the downside, though, and it's kind of holding. I don't know. 1041. I don't like how it's pushing back up. All right, I'm going to take it here. Stop has to go at 21.25. $21.25 would be the stop. I'm going to move stop to break even. Let me just take 960, take the 50 MA. Scalp a Rooney here. Stop will go to break even back below the low here. You hate it when it does that, even though I have 32 megabytes. Thinking of turning off bookmap. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. All right, we're going to lock in 10 here. Logging in 10, taking 10, let's go. Rotate to the next account. I'm going to start trading my accounts one at a time from now on, guys. You're going to see me rotate accounts here. I'm sick of not getting payouts by trying to copy everything at one time, and when I have a bad day, I blow everything up. So I'm going to go back into the rotation mode where I'm just taking 1 to 2 trades on each account and then moving on to the next. That's what I'm going to do from now on. Going to be able to show more payouts that way. Is that more profitable? Not necessarily, but you know, you can show more account, you can show more payouts that way. Trust me, then you can copy trade. Copy trading takes longer to get the payouts. It just is what it is. So see here. Yeah, it is more work, Tech T. You got to find more trades, but that also just means that some days, like today, most likely, some days you're just not going to get a trade on every account, right? I'm just not going to get a trade on every account. Good first day on these Bulenox funded accounts. We did start off with a $200 loser, so being able to take the opening range trade for $800 basically, or basically $1,000. 10 points, 5 minis. I'm not normally going to go 5 minis. I sized up because I took the loser. I know that's the wrong thing to do, but that's what we did anyway. Ended up working out today. So nice first day on those accounts. We did have some stuff happen, you know. Okay, I'll check that out, Sir Doss. I appreciate you. Let's blow a few. Let's not. I don't want to blow a few. I don't want to blow any of them. But the idea is 1 to 2 trades per day. If you are short off the inside bar, guys, I mean, I 100% think we're going here. I would be willing to put a pine tree guarantee, a pine cone guarantee that we're going here. I would be willing to put that pine cone guarantee here. What do you think, pine cone? Now, unless ES kind of gets back above the whole number there, then I think I'm in trouble. I would be in trouble on that, but we'll see. Where's this show where it paid me? I don't even know. I'm trying to see what PayPal this sent this money to. Oh, here we go. Six six four four six six seven. Okay. Who's texting me? Okay. You're short SPX banking high days in? I think so too. I really do think so. This could just be giving me a better entry here, to be honest. Still a pretty big, pretty wide stop loss. Try a little stab short here again. If ES pops above that 84, then I'll get out, but I'm a little late to this short, to be honest. ES rejected 84 up here. If it retests 77, I'm going to go stop to break even here. So just watching ES for my stop to break even right now. Locking in 10, almost 10. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, it does look bull flaggish, but I think, here's the thing. What do we talk about all the time? What's your first sign of a reversal, right? A failed pivot. And that's exactly what we have here. ES failed pivot also off a key level. So ES broke above 84, pulled back below it, failed to get back above it, and boom. That's your first sign of a short, of a reversal after a push back up. So we have this failed pivot here. When this fails to make new highs here, that's your first sign that we're going to continue lower. We left liquidity down here. Why did we leave this here? Makes no sense, right? Makes no sense to hit 803 and leave the 779. Makes no sense at all. So I think we come down and we take out that 779 level. So we look at the hourly. We had relative equal lows here at the 803s, and then we have this obvious wick sitting inside this bullish fair value gap on the hourly. That's a clean draw right there. Clean draw. Push back up to OTE, holding below the key level on the ES. I just think, I think we sell down here. See, for those of you who say I never short biased, there you go. You see it right now. It's just, I'm only long biased when it makes sense to be long biased, right? That's when I'm long biased. And then I'm short biased when it makes sense to be short biased. I don't care if it's long or short as long as I make money. As long as we make money, we don't care. I did have some issues yesterday. I'll show you guys. Let me show you this annoyance. I mean, like, if this doesn't piss you off, I don't know what will. But let me show you guys this that I had to deal with yesterday. If it'll ever load. Okay, so I played earnings yesterday, right? I played earnings. Look at this earnings play. What up, Trader Oracle? I went 15 minis on my 150K accounts. I was down $1,300. This put this account up $4,500 on the day. So I copy traded using Quantower. So I went 15 minis. You see that one executed properly. It closed the trade, did everything it was supposed to do. Look at the followers. They did not close. It entered, but it didn't close. Look at this crap. I don't know if you can see that. Can you guys see that? See the P&L over here? Negative $21,860. So that happened on both the followers. So they didn't close. Like, it just froze. It wouldn't let me do anything. Yes, I do know it's a high-end, it's a news event. I get it. But like, why is the leader, why the leader do the right thing and the followers not, right? Then let me show you what I wake up to this morning on the leader. What I wake up to this morning. So you can see we're up $5,175. Admin only. So I've submitted a ticket, no response yet, but like, I know they're going to say it's a copier issue. I mean, that's the standard response, 1700. Put it away, Pine Tree. Put it away. Put it away. Put it away now. Or something like that. So frustrating. You're disappointing in Max? Yeah. Kind of frustrating there. I'm not mad about it. It's just, it's a frustrating thing because I should be green on those accounts $4,500. And instead, it shows that all three of the accounts are blown. So, yeah, just one of those things. Just one of those things. Let's see here. Partner. 150K test. So, yeah. I mean, the accounts reset. They rebuild yesterday. So, like, it's not the end of the world. You know what I'm saying? Like, they started, I have one that started fresh this morning and we took the winner on that one already. So, how's TradeSync going? No, that's Take Profit Trader. Your leader on TradeSync is always showing different P&L than the followers. I don't mind if it shows a slightly different P&L. I don't mind that at all. But when it doesn't take you out of the trade and you hit the exit button, the flatten button, like it just froze. It would not allow me to do anything. So, oh wait, god dang it, I did that wrong. Where do I go my sent? All right. I just made a mistake. But yeah, so it's kind of annoying. It's just one of those things. You not used it much. Bulenox was pulling in data on a brand new account from an account that was blown 2 weeks ago. Then all of a sudden it reset. That's weird. Did you reach out to him? Oh, that's wrong too. Did you reach out to them? Because I definitely would have reached out to them. They most of the time they're pretty good about working with you um, to get the stuff correct. Oh, that was right. Dun, 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 dun. You wish you had screen grabs of the dashboard. That's what I did. So I screen grabbed everything right then. I actually created an email because, I mean, you know what I mean? Like did I say created an email? God dang it. Created a video of it. So I have a video of it. I recorded it and I sent it to them. Now, I don't know whether they're going to do anything. I mean, like, I don't expect them probably to. I think they're just going to say, go pound sand, you know? But like I said, the accounts did reset, so they were going to reset anyway. Not the end of the world. Yeah, I would definitely reach out to them just to, usually they'll fix stuff like that. Usually. Let's see here. Paste. Boom. I'm getting these emails sent out today, guys. I did not get to them yesterday, so. Okay, I don't think. Did I receive an email from Lion Spirit yesterday? I don't think I did. Let me double check. Let me check my junk mail. What up, Andy? Andy, you missed all the giveaways yesterday, guy. Where were you at? See, the day you missed, we did all the giveaways. I'm not seeing an email from Lion Spirit. So if Lion Spirit is here, let me double check. Hold on. Wait. Might be right here. Okay, never mind. I did get it. Here he is. I did get it. Never mind. Cancel that. I just overlooked it. And you got a 150K test. You just qualified one of the ones you won. Let's go. Nice job. All right, and I don't know if Bashar is here or not, but Bashar, I don't have a way of sending the money any other way than Cash App, unfortunately. Tom said he could do crypto, and then he couldn't, so I'll have to just send it to you through the old Cash Apper. So let's do that now, and whatever. Sorry I didn't do this yesterday, guys. I just didn't. I had a lot going on. Confirm. Pay. Done. Getting all these messages today from the school teachers from the school. Okay, now we're back to paying attention to the charts here, guys. We're back to paying attention. Had to take a few minutes there and do those things, get it done. So, there we go. Alrighty. What do we got? Traders love their upgrade via the scale plan. For the next 7 days, we're going to make it concerted effort. All right. Man, that was a clean short right there, huh? I only left a few points on the table. I don't know, 90. 80 points on the table. That's all right. I knew it was a good short spot. I don't know why it doesn't. Why does DX feed not show? Yeah, so look at those two accounts. You can see these two accounts here. Lost $15,500. This account's up $5,500. I didn't trade it today because it's in admin mode. It should not be. And then this account is new, and it's up $1,400 on the first day. But look at that. That's insane. And then DX feed, for some reason, it doesn't show the red and green, but up 205, 295, and 557. Day one on those accounts. Yeah, down to 800. I think we go lower. I'm thinking 779. I'm thinking of souping this area down here. Of course, in order to get down there, we kind of have to get back through this previous inversion. Might get some support here in this level. How'd everybody do today? You guys are all green? Green? Very, very green? I hope so. Let's go, Predators green. Predators of the green variety. $50-50. All right. Start paying attention here. Again, I'm going to probably try to suit this area. I don't know whether I'm going to place a limit order down here or not. I'm considering it. 776. considering placing a limit order down there. Should I flip a day on my trade day accounts? I don't know if I'm going to find a spot to take a trade, but I don't know if I'm going to flip a day on them or not. There's the old chart. I was wondering where it went. Maybe we'll find a spot to take a trade. Could maybe take it right here, short off the 50. All right, I'm going to try it. Taking a little short here off the 50 level. The 50 EMA, 50 level as well. I got in late. Should have been in off the 50 directly. Come on, hold this level, push down. Stop to break even is actually going to be like 39 because what time is it? 11:07. All right. Stop to break even here. Well, now pull it over so you can see. There we go. Boom. 10 points there. One mini. Rotate to the next account. What one was that? 532271. We're definitely not doing too many, so let's keep it on one. Just happened to look up and see that we were at that 50 psych levels. Decided to take the stab short there. Happened pretty quickly. I got in late. 50 EMA, 50 psych level, pivot point. You know, those things. Scalp-a-rooney. Scalp-a-rooney. All right, you guys should receive your accounts at some point today, probably. For the ones who won the accounts yesterday, most likely we'll get those today at some point. And I will send out a follow-up email once they tell me that they've sent the money to you. We will send a follow-up email. Bear flag about to break out. I agree. I agree. My friend's having a problem with his internet. Having problems with his internet, sending me messages. Can you help me with my internet? See, I will give you some assistance. Wow, look at that. What is that? That's an interesting... What do we talk about? What do we talk about? Let's think about this. What do we talk about this, right? Consolidation. Liquidity grab. Trap. To go lower. Let's see if that's what happens here. Not saying that's what's going to happen, but a lot of times that's what happens. Gonna sucker in the longs and then dump it. Sucker in the longs, dump it. I'm telling you guys, this is one of those things, right? Consolidate, little liquidity grab lower here, and then just ripped higher, sucker in some longs, and then just dump this thing down. Don't be one of the suckers. Don't be it. Watch for the traps. I'm telling you guys. I'm telling you guys, this is what they do. Just a little trapperoonie. Oh, it's going long. Nope, not going long. Dumpage. Hold on, we could do this. We could do this here, guys. Hold on, let's see. There we go. There we go. It's the pine tree guarantee. It's the pine cone guarantee. The pine cone guarantee is in place. The pine cone guarantee is in place here. He's going to eat more moose poop if he doesn't make it there. I'm just calling it the pine cone guarantee. You know, it's just, it's just what it is. About to break back out of the 15-minute range here to the short side. Just got to break this low here. I think we break this low here, get a little waterfall down into like the 870. Oh! Let's see if it rebalances that gap up there and then comes down. Now, if the ES gets above 84, make it a little squeeze here. I don't know. I still think we're going lower, though, but I don't know. Could be wrong. The market likes to do things, It doesn't like to make it easy. Does not like to make it easy. All right, Predator, appreciate ya. Kind of got an idiot box going here. A little idiot box. You should have walked away, Koper. I'm telling you, Koper, like, green, when you got green, walk away. For sure. Just, you know, don't put yourself through the torture. Don't put yourself through the torture. Let me see. Let's see here. Trade day. Oh, you have to claim it. Hell, how the hell am I supposed to know that? How are we supposed to know that? We don't know. You went from green to deep red when Quantower froze on me, then back to green and not touching it again. It's Friday. Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you. Friday is for sure, like, it's one of those days. Oh, wait a second. They got the wrong phone number on here. Four 41607. What? I don't know what's going on here. This is so weird. I don't know why they do that. It says I have to claim. That's weird. So what happened is I accidentally have two PayPal set up. One was frozen and the other was not, but it would not let me use either of them. Okay. I don't know what's going on with it. I still think this is a short. What up, Robert? I don't know. Okay, I just got an email. Hold on, let's make sure. 734092. Losing the range now. Let's see if it wants to push down for good on this one. I don't know what's going on with this thing. It's annoying me. All right, I think that they just transferred the accounts. Let me double check. Let's see. All right, they got these. All the accounts are transferred now. One, two, three, four. Actually, 4 of the 6 are transferred. I must still be working on the other 2. Thank you, Robert. Appreciate ya. And there's Max waking up. He's waking up like, what up? It's time to bark. At least he didn't bark on the TV while I was on My Fun and Futures, you know. Keep getting an error over here, so I'm gonna try this on the PC. Maybe it won't be so difficult. I mean, what is going on? This makes no sense. I don't know. It's not working. Now he has something to say. Yeah. Maxie, now you have something to say. What are you doing over there? I don't know why. I don't know what's going on with this PayPal account. It's like, it won't let me do anything. It keeps saying there's an error, but I can't. I don't know. I don't know what the problem is. Don't know what the problem is here. Oh my goodness, guys. Ugh. Ugh. I mean, I wouldn't mind taking a short here for the push through this low. Break out of this 15-minute range once again. I could maybe take it with just a 10-point stop, but I don't think it's unreasonable. Try it over here, maybe. Stab short on this eval. Just looking for 10 points or so here. Might even just take the 5. Was really more or less looking for like a flip day on these accounts, just get a trade day in. Took $65 there. What up, Pawn? Looks like buyers trying hard. Yeah, I think we go back down here, but I don't know how much I want to risk on trying to chase that. All right, let's check one more thing here. I don't know what's going on with PayPal. Anybody ever had like where you had to claim your money like through the email? And like this is what mine's telling me to do. It's like, oh, claim this money. And then it says, do you want to add this email to your account? I put add. And it says, there's a problem. This I don't really know. I don't know what's going on with it. And then it just kicks you out. Wait a second. What? That's weird. That's so weird. I don't know why it's doing that. So weird. Yes, kind of grinding back down towards that 62.57 area. I don't know why that says that. Not much to do here, guys. Price is just kind of grinding. Oh, come on. You're sitting at plus 196 in the funded, but want to see 200 or 250. Don't know if it's worth it. Don't know if it's worth it. May not be worth it. Oh, there we go. Now the money's finally in there. You're seeing this battles happening here could go any direction. Still think the draw is lower though. All right, we finally got the PayPal thing set up. Yeah, for sure. Okay, what do we do? Oh, send in request. I guess this must be how you do it. Since 10:45, every pop has had short slam it back down. That's what I'm saying. I think it's going to continue lower. How do you transfer money? I don't know. Oh. Now I figured it out. All right, we got to figure it out. We got it figured out, bro. All right, that was kind of a pain. That's what I was concentrating on for the last few minutes, guys. Sorry. But I wanted the money in my account. I don't know what to tell you. Don't know what to tell you. You give me your PayPal? Yeah. No, I don't know how somehow I ended up with two PayPals. I don't know. One works fine, the other doesn't. I was needing to send that money and stuff out, and I couldn't. But it finally let me do it. So, oh, did they get renewed here? Okay. Yeah, I guess that's fine. It's all the same, huh? It's all the same. All right, now we can kind of start paying more attention to the charts here. It is Friday, so we don't want to be doing too much. Don't want to be going too crazy with it. We are green in every single account. It's kind of a rare thing. Kind of a rare thing here. We're up 205, 295, 557. Oh, well, I guess we are red in these accounts that blew yesterday, but like that's not my fault. They got stuck in the earnings play and they stayed in a position. We're up 1,400 on this one account. The accounts we actually traded today, and then this is what we're looking like over here. 3 funded accounts, 755, 800, 770, 195, 65, and 384. So, yeah, I haven't gotten a trade on every account, but hey, that's all right, right? It is Friday. I do think I'm going to go ahead and call it there, guys. I'm not going to sit here all day. We'll be back Sunday for the Sunday Open. It is Friday, right? Yeah, it is Friday. We'll be back Sunday for the Sunday Open. If you guys want to help support the channel, again, we got a few sales still going on. Trade day 40% off, no activation fees, $59. My funded futures, the core account's like $70, like $65 or $70 for the 50K core account. I think that's a really good deal. Take Profit Trader still 40% off, no activation. And Apex is 80% off now. Use code MYTH. Use code MM for everything else. Tradeify 35% off. Their sale ended last night. Hopefully we get a few more deals going on throughout the, as we move into the month here. A few more days into the month. I think the draw's down here. Be careful, whatever you're doing. I'll be back tomorrow, or we'll be back Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. We appreciate you guys. Look for a couple of backtest videos to drop this weekend, and we'll see you then.